Hey guys, what's up? In this video I am going to discuss about rule number 13 of COLREGS, that is overtaking. So part A of this rule. Notwithstanding anything contained in the rules of part B, section 1 and 2, any vessel overtaking any other shall keep out of the way of the vessels being overtaken. So what do you understand by notwithstanding anything contained? So this phrase indicates that the following rules take precedence over any other rules mentioned in the referenced section, that is part B section 1 and 2. It implies that this rules is an exception and overrides any conflicting regulations that may exist. As you can see, part B section 1 and section 2. Any vessel overtaking any other vessel shall keep out of the way of the vessels being overtaken. So this mandates that the overtaking vessel must take action to avoid collision. It means that the overtaking vessel must navigate in such a way that it does not interfere with the course and speed of the vessel being overtaken. Now, part B of this rule. A vessel shall be deemed to be overtaking when coming up with another vessel from a direction more than 22.5 degree above her beam. That is, in such a position with reference to the vessel she is overtaking that at night she would be able to see only the stern light of that vessel but neither of her side lights. So what do you understand by this sentence? So this sentence defines that what it means for a vessel to be considered overtaking another vessel. It states that the vessel is overtaking when it approaches from a position more than 22.5 degrees behind the vessel's beam, which means the side of the vessel. In practical terms, if overtaking vessel is positioned such that at night it can only see the stern light. So light means what? The light at the back of the vessel being overtaken and cannot see either of its side light. It is deemed to be overtaking. This helps to clarify right of way rules and navigational responsibilities at sea. Now, the Charlie part of this rule. So what states, when a vessel is in any doubt as to whether she is overtaking another, she shall assume that this is the case and act accordingly. So this is self-explanatory. Now delta. Any subsequent alteration of the bearing between the two vessels shall not make the overtaking vessel a crossing vessel within the meaning of these rules or relieve her of the duty of keeping clear of the overtaken vessel until she is finally passed and clear. So this sentence means that if a vessel is overtaking another vessel, any changes in the angle of direction between the two vessels do not change the overtaking vessel's status. It remains obliged to keep clear of the vessel it is overtaking until it is completely passed and no longer in close proximity. Essentially, the overtaking vessel must maintain its responsibility to avoid the other vessels regardless of how their position changes during maneuver. So this much is important on this topic. Thank you.